Gala Games is absolutely on fire, on fuego right now. Gala is back in the top 100, ranked number 93, and storming ahead as we start a new week here. And this month in January, the good news just keeps on coming for Gala Games. I personally talk about Gala Games quite a bit on my personal YouTube channel. Happy to be talking to you about Gala right here on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Make sure you guys subscribe down below for more content like this. So Gala Games, as you can see, look at the volume. It's up 800% in the last 24 hours. That is not a typo. 800%. The market cap is up 67%. Gala Games has come from a cent and a half all the way up over 4 cents right now at the time of this recording. What is going on with Gala? Why is it just storming ahead right now? And what is all the fuss about when it comes to Gala Games? Well, they've got a few things happening. They are working with The Rock and Mark Wahlberg with their Gala films and Gala music sectors. Gala will be the gas token in both of these ecosystems. Highly encourage you to do a lot more due diligence. Now, they're also pivoting to mobile. So this is their president. Time for a little bit more info on Go Gala Games context around the pivot to include mobile and what it means for the entire Gala ecosystem. So they started with desktop gaming, right? But now what they're seeing is, hey, there is a budding industry here happening with mobile gaming, and they are going all in. They just acquired a new studio that will ink them 20 million users. That is insane. So this was a little bit more information on their pivot to mobile gaming. Okay. It says right here that given the scale of the mobile space and at the current price of the token, with 53 games using Gala for gas, anywhere from 6 to 35% of the total supply could be burned per year. That's another reason why people are so bullish now. Burning of the overall supply and using it as gas. Of course, the underlying token economics will change with usage at that scale, and likely result in less percentage of total supply being burnt over time. But from the outset, it appears mobile plus the blockchain equals goodness. They also are building out their own blockchain. That is insane. So there's just so many things happening. And again, this is all surrounding their recent acquisition that gives them a massive leap forward in terms of being able to test and explore various genres and tactics in the mobile game space. So they've got 15 games, mobile games already built out. That could take up to 9 to 12 months per game if they were actually doing it themselves, but they've acquired these games, right? And acquired these user bases. So this is awesome. Awesome to see. So great pivot here from Gala. Many people excited about it. Let me know what you guys think. I am a personal investor of Gala, so I have been loving this price action. Let me know if you are down below in the comment section, or if you're going to do some more due diligence and check it out. Also, while you're at it, do some due diligence on ClearCryptos. Check out the advisory board. Look at what they're building. They've already got the fiat on-ramp. They are doing a ton of things to make DeFi a better place. Many, many big partnerships still to be announced. Can't wait to bring those to you right here on the channel. Stay subscribed. Stay locked in right here. We'll see you in the next video.